Hey, what's going on everybody? Dan Kraus here again, and today I am going to make a very simple hatch hanger. So this is a hanger for paintless dent repair, and when you remove the hatch of the vehicle, if you're doing hail damage on a roof, you really need something to put your tools on to get leverage to push the dents out. Alright, so I got the fancy hatch hanger all assembled, and you can see, I'll just show you how this is going to work. Just hang it in here. Obviously, with the trim and everything out of the way, this is going to kind of angle down forward a little bit. Obviously, if you're doing hail, this gate's going to be removed so you can see the roof and all that. But this is, fully adjustable. We can adjust it down very easily. These are 150 pounds is what they're supposed to hold a piece. So we've got 300 pounds of strength there. And so you can see how nice this will be. Your rod's not gonna like slide all over this thing. It's nice and sticky. Like I said, this is like a rubbery substance. Works, this is gonna work awesome. So I'm excited about this, try this out on my next hail car, rather than using hooks and all sorts of other contraptions to make it work. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. And again, this was only about 50 bucks at the hardware store. I got the stuff, put it together, didn't take long at all. So hopefully this video will make this really easy for you, and you can just make one of these yourself and save yourself a bunch of money. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video.